Hi guys, I'm Amjad. So today we are a group of 4 friends, actually 5 friends that we all left. Started from Jammu today. I have Mark with me right now. So we started at 1 o'clock from Jammu, and it's been around a 3.5 hours ride from Jammu to Patnitop, and we did go through the Chenani Nasri tunnel, I think. Right now we are around 15 kilometers ahead of Patnitop. This place is called the Natha Top. My watch, it's 6:45 PM right now, and check the view. It's still broad daylight out here. That is the Natha Top, and we have the Sansar Lake somewhere around 13 kilometers further away. So our plan tomorrow is to start from Patnitop and reach Pahalgam. We have already booked the Jammu Kashmir tourism resort at Aru Valley. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Hi. So we are back now. So this is the next day morning. Yesterday we showed you around Natha Top. So currently we are going to leave from Patnitop and we are going to Pahalgam. This is where we stayed last night. This is the JKTDC guest house, Hotel Maple. This is Imran. Hi. That is Mark. He's completely suited. And that is Sohail. So a very important fact about Sohail, he is doing the trip with a stone in his stomach.
hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined